Hi guys, this is nice math problem. 6 plus 2 bracket 1 plus 2 whole square is equal what? Here 6 plus 2 gives us 8 multiply 1 plus 2 gives us 3 and this square. 8 multiply this 3 square gives us 9. 8 times 9 gives us 72, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 6 plus this 2 multiply this 1 plus 2 gives us 3 and this square. Now I have to work with this exponent. Here 6 plus 2 multiply 3 square gives us 9. Now I have to work with this multiplication. Here 6 plus 2 times 9 gives us 18. 6 plus 18 gives us 24 and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.